Some good stuff. What up, gang? It's your boy. Just woke up, ready to get the day started, cause we got a project to do today, and it rhymes with HKS. Bro, before anything else, you have to go stop by some. I had to go get some PANDESAL from Nandings, man. I was craving that real bad, so we're here right now. All right. If you're wondering what PANDESAL is a baked bun. It's very tasty, very good with coffee. Hey, Mark. Where's your car, man?
Damn, forgot my car, dude.
What?
Yeah.
That's alright, I'll take care of that. There's your car. Haha. Alright, so today, if y'all didn't know yet, we have an install on Mark's car. We're gonna install a HKS. Okay, Mark, what is it? I think it's the Hi-Power Spec-L dual out exhaust. Yeah. Today's the day. Mark valiantly walked it from his house. I don't know how he made it through the neighborhood with this box, but he got here. All right.
Yeah.
Alright, so the moment of truth, we are gonna unbox this. I'll actually look through the box real quick. And displace parts. See what's in here. Mark, if you can do the honors, please. Throw it. Throw it. Anywhere you want it. Throw it. Ooh. What do you got here? This looks like the mid pipe with the resonator on it. Ooh, we got the dual mufflers, or two mufflers. Got the Y pipe. Alright, looks like we got some of the hardware here. I think that's a gasket right there. Focus. Brochure. Yep, Spec-L.
There you go.
Ooh. So, I'm gonna move this for you a little. I'll show you.
Just a little tease.
Alright, so all the parts laid out on the table. I'm pretty sure we got everything out of the box. But it is looking sweet. We can't wait to put this on Mark's car, right, Mark? Oh, and the knife. Alright, B-roll. Aye. So we got the car on the jack stands, making it look like a spaceship. We'll take this stock muffler off, start installing the HKS muffler. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we gotta knock out these where is it? These nuts here and here. I already went ahead and made it loose. Actually marked it for me, and now we'll just gun it and take it out. Take these two mufflers out. Alright, so both mufflers out while Mark goes ahead and inspects and see what he needs to do. So they're both out. Now we need to get back or get to that Y pipe and the mid pipe. So let's do it. There's your OE mufflers. Look how big and bulky these are. They're actually heavy too. So yeah, it's good that we're changing it out today. All that dirt. Alright. So we got the mid pipe to Y pipe out, the OE one. And man, it was a bitch to get out, but we got it. And time to install the new one. Almost forgot to mention, Mark went ahead and bought these hangers, polyurethane bushings. I'm sorry, exhaust hangers, torque solution ones, and we're gonna replace these with the for the rubber ones, so it has that more stable, non-wobbly feel to it. But yeah.
You're on the right way, or I come the other way.
Oh hi. I didn't see you there, but we're gonna put the first pipe in, the mid pipe.
Hey, these gaskets.
Ooh, oh. Hey, hi guys, we got the first pipe in. We're gonna move on to the Y pipe now. Hang in there, guys. Alright, so we got the Y pipe in. As you can see there, Y pipe is in. All the way down, you can see the mid pipe where Mark's laying down right now, chilling, sleeping probably. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but it's up there. Go ahead, put in the mufflers, and we should be wrapping it up soon. Maybe, we'll see. We have put the first one in. Focus. Focus. Alright, next one. Second muffler in on the left side, driver's side. And now we have both. Must I say, it looks good. Just gotta make everything tight. And then we'll reveal the tips that's on these mufflers. Alright. Alright, now that we got everything bolted up, it's time to take off these bubble wrap and then reveal how these mufflers look. So go ahead, Mark. Go ahead, wrap those and wrap those off. Tear those off. Let's see what it is. Oh, shiny. Wow. Let's see if I can get it here. If y'all didn't know, those tips have a carbon fiber baffle on it. That's the word I was looking for, baffle. And the HKS logo. Looks nice. Or am I washed out here? Yeah. Man, this thing looks nice. But there you have it. It's installed. So what we're gonna do is actually start the car and hear it. Alright, for the finishing touches for the exhaust, we're going to put a panel filter, HKS panel filter, in Mark's airbox.
Yo, what's up guys? This is Mark. Look what we've done here. So if you're looking for a new exhaust, anything nice and clean, maybe that carbon fiber look, this is ready to go. To me, I love the sound, that rumble, even that tone. It just fits right for me. And overall, I love it. Hopefully you guys will love it too.
Yo, what's up guys? So yeah, as you heard Mark, if you want something subtle, something aesthetic looking, something more on a deeper tone but not as overly crazy, get an HKS exhaust like that, the Hi-Power Spec-Ls, versus, you know, something that I got, you know, the other brand that's very raspy, very loud, like that guy right there. And my camera, yeah, somewhere over there. And there you have it guys. Today was the install for the HKS Spec-L high-power exhausts. I want to give a shout out to Tech for the fast shipping that they sent over, despite what's going on in the world right now. I hope you guys are doing safe out there. Make sure you guys stay home and stuff. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep in touch with us. I want to give a thank you to all the new subscribers out there and all the comments and feedback that you guys have been giving us. It's helping out the channel a lot, and I thank you for that. Thanks for Mark for bringing in this project for today. We got some new content. He's on his phone. All right, but yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Peace.